Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about how you can be able to add your tax information to your already monetized Facebook page. So as we all know, social media is the way forward and a lot of people are cashing out big time from social media. So but I'm here to coach you and help you to be able to succeed on some sensitive areas right there on getting payments from Facebook specifically. All right, so over here guys, I'll be walking you through all the necessary steps and all you might encounter. I've already made a video about how you can be able to get your tax identification number. You can check the video description box for the video on how to get your tax identification number, because your tax identification number is very necessary for these steps that we're about to take right now. Also, I've already made a video about how you can be able to add your banking information to your monetized Facebook page. All right, so I'll be linking the video as well on the video description box so that you can be able to go through all this, because first of all you need to get your thing, and once you have got your thing, then you can then go ahead and set up your payout account. That is where you are going to be adding your banking details, where you're going to be receiving payment, and lastly you are going to be adding tax information, which is what we are going to be talking about right here on this video. So if you're watching me right now, pay close attention, do not skip any part of this video. I urge you to watch it to the end, because every single part of it is very important that you understand it very well. And right now, without talking much, let's now get started. Let me show you how you can be able to add your tax information to your monetized page in order to successfully get paid from Facebook. So right now guys, you need to be very careful from this side. Okay, so over here, this is where you are going to be filling your tax information, and they are going to be asking you most of the question based on whether you are a US citizen or not. All right, so over here guys, based on the information that we have selected so far, you can see it has detected that we are doing this tax classification based on individual and not business. So over here guys, they are going to be asking you this question saying, are you a US citizen, US permanent resident, green card holder, or other US residential alien? The answer for me is no, because I'm not in US. Over here, you need to be very sincere with them, because any lie or whatever you try to play smart right here could end up making you have troubles in the future. So I'm going to be selecting no. Okay, so over here right now, you can see they're going to be asking you another question. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person as a flow-through entity? The answer for me is no, because I'm doing this for myself, and the reason is because the question right here, they are asking you whether you are doing this for someone else. All right, if you are doing it for your own self, you answer no. If you are doing it for someone else, you answer yes. So I'm going to be choosing no right now, because I'm actually doing this for myself. All right, so we click on next right now. So over here right now, automatically they will detect your name, your full name, and right here guys, they are going to be asking you to select the country from where you are from. Okay, so over here right now, I will click on this drop down. Then I need to select Nigeria, because that is where I'm currently right now. Okay, just be sincere with them. Do not try to play any smart right here, because it could harm you a lot. So over here right now, I'll be selecting Nigeria like this. Pay close attention. Okay, so right now guys, they are now going to be they are now going to be asking another thing. Okay, taxpayer identity number. So over here, I have a non-US. Okay, so right now, because I've already selected that I'm in Nigeria, they will automatically detect it and give me this check mark right here. Okay, so right now guys, I will scroll down. You can see if you have US tax identification number, you click this one, but you do not have to click it if you are not in US. All right, so be very sincere with them. So right now guys, I have to click on next. All right, so clicking on next right now, they are going to be showing you your information based on what you have already provided for them. So over here right now, all my information are here already, so I simply need to click on next. But over here, they are going to be asking you for your country, they'll be asking you for your address line, they'll be asking you for your city, your state, and of course your state zip code. So I've already filled all this out, so I will click on next. Okay, so over here right now, you can see adding your mailing address. That is where you are going to receiving your mail and stuff like that. So I have to click on next. Okay, it's already there automatically. Claiming of tax treaty benefit. By providing the information below, you may be eligible for treaty benefit and receive a reduction in 30% statutory US withholding tax rate applied to your US source payment. So over here, by selecting the country you are from, they are going to be checking to know if they are to tax you up to 30% for your payment. All right, so right now I'll be selecting my country to see if it's if there will be any reduction for me. So obviously I have to select Nigeria. That's where I am. Like I said earlier, be sincere with them. Do not try to play any smart. All right, so over here obviously you can see you do not appear to be eligible for treaty benefit. The statutory US tax withholding tax rate of 30% will be applied to your US source payment. This means that they are going to be taking 30% of whatever that may be coming because of whatever they are trying to say right here. It will be applied to your US source payment. So I'll be clicking on next. All right, so that's basically trying to let you know that if you are receiving your payment from US, 30% is going to be, taking something like that. So right now guys, what we have here is I consent to provide electronic signature for the information provided per IRS form W8BEN. So over here right now, you need to take your time to read all this up. They are very, very important. So but basically what is happening right here is that because of the fact that you are not present with them to fill a form by yourself, they are going to be using this medium to actually make you fill that form staying wherever you are. Okay, so over here right now, take your time to actually read all this up. All right, this is you signing a signature. Okay, you can see what they say right here. By providing an electronic signature, you will be able to submit your tax information immediately. So like I said earlier, I read everything correctly, but what I needed to take note of right here is this chapter 6 right here that says that I agree that I will submit a new form within 30 days if any certification made on this form become incorrect. This means that if there's any mistake right here, it will take 30 days before you can be able to submit another form. So over here right now, you have to tick this box because you are satisfied that you have capacity to sign for the person identified in line 1 of this form. All right, so right now guys, they are going to be requiring you to type your name right here to actually sign that signature. So instead of using your pen to write that signature, typing your full name right here actually is like you automatically signing that signature. So right now guys, I have to use the full name that appeared earlier, which is this right now. Okay, this was the full name that appeared earlier. So right now I have to simply scroll down a little bit. Then this is the date right here. By typing my name on the given date, I acknowledge I'm signing the tax form under penalties of perjury. All right, so right now this date is going to be here automatically. So you don't need to actually modify anything. The date will be there automatically. Okay, so right now guys, I have to scroll down right here. Right now I have to click on next. Okay, I'll click on next like this. Okay, so clicking on next, let's see what we're gonna have right here. And right now guys, you need to go ahead and of course click on submit form right here. But if you notice that there was any mistake along the line, you click on make changes. This is going to be taking you back to the first step, and you are going to be going through everything all over again. All right, so right now I'm pretty sure there was no mistake, so I have to click on submit. But just for the sake of our own safety, I will click on make changes. These are very, very important right now. Okay, now so over here guys, I actually forgot to mention something. If you are doing this for someone, do not consent to this. All right, if you are doing it for someone, do not consent to this. But if you are doing it for your own self, just go ahead. So right now I have to type in my name here again. Okay, just bear with me. This video is long, but it's very important that you pay attention to it. Okay, sorry, bear with me. Okay, so right now we are good to go, so I will click on next. All right, so right now we are going to be brought back right here. So take your time to read all this right now, make sure they are correct. I know the reason why I'm stressing on this. Okay, so right now guys, you go ahead and click on submit, and right now guys, we will be good to go immediately. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. You can see your tax information is complete, and right now everything has been shown right here, and as you're seeing it, so you need to click on update if you want to update anything. So right now you can see this simply says that I want to paperless. I want a paperless delivery. I want paperless delivery. Deliver my tax documents electronically. So you simply need to go ahead and click on done. Let's see what we're gonna have. Right, you can see it is now adding your tax information right now. So right now, pay close attention. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, so just a little moment and we'll be good to go. Okay, you can see tax information now has been added successfully. So right now, let me refresh this page to see what we're gonna have right here this time around. All right, so pay close attention, and right now, guys, you can see they are no more requesting us to fill any tax information or whatsoever. All right, so this simply means that we have succeeded on adding our tax information, and hopefully we are going to be receiving our payment to our bank account. All right, so if you find this video very helpful, please I beg you, please support the channel. If you watch the video to this point, it means you actually got information in one way or the other. Please, I'm begging you, support me also by liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. If you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to help you out. Who else noticed that I actually switched from my bigger phone to my smaller phone? That is because I'm actually having issue logging into the tax information page. I used my smaller phone and it was successful. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I will talk to you on the next one, dropping very soon.